Do you always need super detailed plans and specs for the house right at the beginning?
Oh, yes, absolutely. That's non-negotiable. The lender needs the full blueprints and specifications, what materials are being used, down to the model number sometimes right when the contract is submitted. They need to know exactly what they're financing.
No winging it.
Okay.
Got it. What happens if, heaven forbid, the appraisal of the finished home comes in lower than expected, lower than the loan amount you were approved for?
Yeah, that can happen. The lender can only lend based on the appraised value. So if it comes in low, there are usually two main options. Either the builder has to agree to lower their price to match the appraisal.
Which I might not want to do.
Right. Or the other option is you, the borrower, have to make up the difference in cash at closing. Bring extra money to the table.
Oof. Okay, good to be aware of that possibility.
Yeah.
Just to double check, these one-time close loans are construction to permanent, covering both phases.
Yes, correct. Construction and permanent mortgage all in one.
And you can usually finance the land purchase at the same time.
Yes, also correct. Land and construction financing bundled together is a common feature.
Okay, with the one-time close, when it converts from construction to permanent, do you have to go through all the underwriting stuff again, like income verification, credit check?
Generally, no, not for FHA, VA, or those jumbo ARM loans. For conventional loans, maybe, if the construction takes a really long time, say over a year, they might just ask for updated pay stubs or repull credit just to make sure nothing drastic has changed financially. But it's usually not a full re-underwriting.
That's a relief. Can you have a co-borrower? Like build with a spouse or partner?
Yes, absolutely. Co-borrowers are generally allowed. There might be specific rules about who qualifies as a co-borrower, like maybe not just a friend, but typically spouses, partners, family members are okay. Best to check the lender's specific guidelines on that.
Okay. What if you already own the land, free and clear, or have a lot of equity in it? Can you use that land equity as your down payment?
Yes, that's a huge advantage. If you own the land, the equity you have in it can definitely be used towards your down payment requirement.
How do they figure out the equity?
If there's a loan on it, it's the difference between value and loan balance. If you own it free and clear, and you've owned it for a certain amount of time, the exact time varies a bit by loan type, like 6 months for FHA, maybe only a day for conventional on it.